I'm Cheryl Hodges. I'm a botanical artist with around 20 years experience painting, and I also teach botanical art. I have produced another tutorial on botanical art, painting eucalyptus leaves in watercolour. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you to paint an acacia or wattle in watercolour in a traditional botanical style. I'll go through the basic equipment required, the preparation you need to do, such as setting up your specimen, sketching it, finalising that drawing, transferring to watercolour paper. We will do a study page where we'll paint different stages of the beautiful acacia flowers and the leaves. This study page will then be used as a reference for our final painting, a large botanical watercolour of an acacia specimen. We will cover various watercolour techniques required for a detailed botanical painting. These techniques are able to be applied to most botanical subjects. There are some quite lengthy videos, but the final painting section is broken up into many subsections to make it easy for you to find just the area or technique you are looking for. You don't need to have completed the eucalyptus leaves tutorial to do this one. Because of the different subject matter, you will learn some different techniques in the two tutorials, although there are also areas that will be almost the same, such as the basic equipment and stretching. So please take a look at my preview video and my course description to decide whether this is for you. I do hope you'll join me.